Up to this very lesson, we've gone over the entire interface of InDesign. So we know that we have tools, we have menus, we have contextual menus, we have panels, and we know that to be most efficient in InDesign, we use keyboard shortcuts. That reduces our reliability from having to utilize the tool panel. And in some cases, the panels in general that contain a lot of our menu items. I'm going to go ahead and leave that open. But so we know keyboard shortcuts and contextual menus, and there is yet another item called Quick Apply. And Quick Apply will allow us to easily apply any menu item or tool to any element here within our document. So for this video, I'm going to hit Control J on my keyboard, and I'm going to hop down to section 214, which contains that map, and I want to rotate this 90 degrees. So to do that, I'm going to hit Control Enter on my keyboard to bring up the Quick Apply, and I'm going to hit 90 or type in 90, and that is going to bring up anything in the menu items that are related to 90. So if I click once, it's going to apply a 90-degree rotation to my spread here, and we can see there's a little rotation icon. So we quickly applied that. And if I want to undo that, I'll hit Control Enter, and this time I'll type in just part of the word for rotate, and here's clear rotation. I'm going to select that. Now let's jump back up to our first page. And another good example of using Quick Apply, let's say I want to apply an effect to this. Now I'm working in the Essentials workspace, and I don't really see an option for effects. And I could take my time, go up to the window menu, and pull up that panel. Or I can hit Control Enter on my keyboard, and I'll type in DR for drop shadow, and InDesign's going to recognize that. And I will select it, and that brings up the drop shadow dialog box. And here we've just quickly applied a drop shadow effect to an object in our document. So that was a lot quicker than browsing up to the menu, locating our panel, or even changing our workspace to apply that effect. So essentially now we don't necessarily need to know all the keyboard shortcuts for everything, but we know that we can access menu items with Quick Apply. So now we have keyboard shortcuts, contextual menus, and Quick Apply to help us be most efficient here in InDesign. And since we are now familiar with the interface, we can start by creating a new document.